Problem you guys have been telling me about is a problem where version 8.0 pretty much messed up your PS4, and when it tried to install it failed, and now your PS4 is stuck in a safe mode loop. You pretty much can't get out of it no matter what you do, and you don't want to initialize it and delete all your data. So I'm going to show you guys how to manually install the PS4 system software update version 8.00 using safe mode and the internet to download it manually. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and shut down your PS4. Okay, ensuring that your PS4 is off, and it can't be in rest mode. It has to be completely off. Make sure there's no light here that's blinking or pulsing. If it's completely off. So now what you're going to want to do is take your PS4 controller and connect it to the PS4 with a micro USB cable. Now, making sure that the controller is connected to the cable, we're going to hold down the power button for 8 seconds or so. We're going to hear 2 beeps, and that's going to put us into safe mode. That's the first beep. Keep holding it down, and you'll hear the second beep. So once you hear the second beep, you can go ahead and release your finger from the power button. Okay, so as you can see now, we're in safe mode. In order to continue into safe mode, we're gonna have to press the PS button here, and it's gonna take us to the safe mode menu. Now, pay close attention. If you press the PS button and nothing happens, that means that you're using a USB cable that's not compatible with the PS4. So you can take a look around your house and try different USB cables, but what you really want to look for is one that supports both charging and data. Now, if you guys can't find a cable that works, I will leave an Amazon link down in the description below where you can pick up a compatible USB cable that's going to work with your PS4, and it's going to allow you to get into safe mode to fix your PS4. So let's go ahead and press the PS button now. Okay, now you're presented with a bunch of options in the safe mode menu. What we want to do now is we want to go to update system software. Now notice that if I press down the analog button, nothing happens. That's because you have to use the D-pad to move down to option 3. So once you're in option 3, go ahead and press X for update system software. You're presented with 3 different options. Now, the easiest way to install the PS4 system software update 8.0 is to use option 3, which is update using internet. Now, I highly recommend that you use a LAN cable, also known as an Ethernet cable. That's a wired cable that goes from your PS4 directly to your router, because a lot of you have been having problems with not being able to install the update, and with Wi-Fi sometimes the update gets corrupted and it doesn't download correctly. So if you're having problems, I will leave a link down in the description below where you can pick up a LAN cable, and you can just temporarily connect your PS4 directly to your router with a LAN cable just to get this update installed, and then later you can use Wi-Fi no problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and press X on update using internet. Okay, so here it tells us that version 8.00 is available, so let's go ahead and press X for next. And it's going to go ahead and download the update. If you notice, it's downloading the update really fast for me. That's because I'm using a LAN cable. If you're using Wi-Fi, it will go much slower than this. Okay, the update has been downloaded, and now it's telling us that the PS4 must be restarted in order for it to install the update. So go ahead and press X to update. It's going to go ahead and restart your PS4 and go through the update process. Okay, make sure you don't shut down your PS4 or the power doesn't go out during this process, otherwise it may leave your PS4 in an unworkable state. Okay, after it's done with the update, it's going to go ahead and automatically restart your PS4.